morning dear students. Today I am going to begin the new topic, that is parallel and perpendicular line of chapter 12. This is the second part of the chapter equation of a straight line. In this part we will discuss about the two lines or its slope when they are placed parallel or perpendicular. When the two lines are parallel, it means the slope of the first is m1 and the slope of the second is m2. When they are parallel, then it is equal. When these two lines are perpendicular to each other, so the slope of first is m1 and the slope of second is m2. In this condition we apply the formula m1 into m2 is equals to -1. So here we will discuss about the this type of questions which have the lines parallel and perpendicular. So let's begin the questions. The first is state which one of the following is true. When we have the two lines y is equals to 3x minus 5 and 2y is equals to 4x plus 7. In this condition we have to get the slope of the two lines. As we all know that the form of the straight line is y is equals to mx plus c. The multiple of x is the value of m. When we compare the first equation, the first is y is equals to 3x minus 5. When we compare it by y is equals to mx plus c, then we have the value of m is 3. This is the first line, so we have the slope m1. Second is 2y is equals to 4x plus 7. So y is equals to 4x by 2 plus 7 by 2. So y is equals to 2x plus 7 by 2. By comparing y is equals to mx plus c, the value of m is 2. This is the second line, so the slope m2 is 2. Here we can see that m1 is 3, m2 is 2. They are not equal. So we can say that m1 is not equals to m2, so it is not parallel. We can check its product, m1 into m2. It is 3 into 2. It is 6. It is not equals to -1. It means that it is not perpendicular. So like this we can check that the lines are parallel or perpendicular. If we have, let's take the other example, the next example. If we have two lines, this is the second type. I am going to explain. If the lines 3x plus by plus 5 is equals to 0 and ax minus 5y plus 7 is equals to 0 are perpendicular to each other, find the relation connecting A and B. If we have the two lines 3x plus by plus 5 is equals to 0 and other is ax minus 5y plus 7 is equals to 0 and they are perpendicular. These two lines are perpendicular. If they are perpendicular, it means that the slope of the first, that is m1, and the slope of the second, that is m2, m1 into m2 is equals to -1. First get the slope from the first equation. 3x plus by is equals to -5. So by is equals to -5 minus 3x. So y is equals to, first write the x term, minus 3x by b minus 5 by b. By comparing with y is equals to mx plus c, the value of m is minus 3 by b. Now from the second equation, it is ax is equals ax minus 5y is equals to minus 7. So 5y is equals to ax plus 7. So y is equals to ax by 5 plus 7 by 5. By comparing with y is equals to mx plus c, we have the value of m a by 5. This is the second, so we have the slope 2, m2, this is m1. And it is given that the lines are perpendicular. For perpendicular line, we know that m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. In place of m1, we can write minus 3 by b. In place of m2, a by 5 is equals to minus 1. When we simplify, then this is minus 3a is equals to minus 5b. So we can say minus 3a plus 5b is equals to 0. This is the relation between a and b. Next question, the next type is, if the line passes through the 2 points and is perpendicular to the given line. This is the next type. Next type, we have the two coordinate, the line passes through the coordinate a, this is minus 2 comma 3, and b, this is 4 comma b, is perpendicular to the line 2x minus 4y is equals to 5. Find the value of this b. These two lines are perpendicular. It means that for perpendicular line, m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. First, get the value of m1 from these 2 points. We have this is x1 y1 and x2 y2. So m1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. In place of y2 b, y1 is 3, x2 4, x1 is minus 2. So this is minus minus plus, b minus 3 by 6. So m1 is equals to 6, b minus 3 by 6. Now get the value of m2 from the second equation. The second equation is 2y minus 4y is equals to 5. So 4y is equals to, this is 2x. 4y is equals to 2x minus 5. So y is equals to 2x by 4 minus 5 by 4. By comparing y is equals to mx plus c, the value of m is 2 by 4. So we have m2 2 by 4, this is 1 by 2. They are perpendicular, it means m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. In place of m1, b minus 3 by 6, m2 is 1 by 2 is equals to minus 1. So this is b minus 3 upon 12 is equals to minus 1. So b minus 3 is equals to minus 12, b is equals to minus 12 plus 3. So b is equals to minus 9. This is the value of b. So like this you can solve the other question, but you will solve up to question 15 only. The remaining question I will explain in my next video. Thank you.